Hi guys. Okay, I'm back. Just pumping out these videos. Got a lot of topics to cover. I noticed something in other videos that I've watched and other content creators, especially ones where they've got hundreds and hundreds of videos that span over a period of years. I see their opinion changing on certain things. Some of it's confusing. You know, it's like, okay, you're reviewing this now, you're reviewing it then. And it could be that that's from 4 years ago, 3 years ago, whatever. I have an idea. Tell me what you think. Because we always, as through hikers, wear the same clothes every day. This year I wore this kind of bluish, mauvey, it has a little bit of purple in it, shirt, Columbia PFG. I love that shirt, by the way, and I will wear it. However, for through hikes and for reviews and stuff, when I'm out on the trail, I'm thinking of doing color coding my videos. In other words, I'm trying to find a color for 2022, and for my AT through hike, it'll be the same shirt I wear for the whole year, so I get to choose. Obviously, it won't be the same color as this year. And then that way, when you see the videos and you see me in them, you'll say, oh yeah, that was 2021, that was 2022. So here are the contenders. There's this one. It's a bright orange. This one's a short sleeve. I would prefer a long sleeve, but I mean, hey. And this is a PFG as well. This is a Columbia. I like Columbia for this. They're very heavy duty. This is a different model, Columbia. Not sure of the name of it. It doesn't say anything on it that I'm aware of. Oh, actually, it is a PFG. It's just a lighter, much lighter style. It's a teal color. This one actually, as a shirt, it has pockets. I find that bizarre, absolutely bizarre. But they could come in handy. Who knows? Who knows? Anyways, tell me what you think. I will show them each to you, and maybe you can let me know in the comments. Okay, we have this, or this. This one I just put on for the first time. Just got it. It has quite the different system for snapping together. It feels a little tight, tighter than that one, even though they're the same size, same model, so sort of the same model. This one is so much thinner and lighter, and I am probably going to lose a bunch of weight, so it doesn't matter. I'll keep this one. The pockets, they kind of bug me a bit because it's just the way they're sticking in. But anyways, I'll leave it short and sweet. Leave me your ideas in the comments. I know this is probably really silly, but I mean, let's have some fun with it, you know? I mean, it's just a YouTube channel after all. So, aqua or orange? It's up to you. Let me know. Okay. Thanks, guys.